Two methods to find out the condition of your house wiring and earthing. First is by using a multimeter and second is by using a tester along with a small piece of wire. Set your multimeter to an AC voltage generally notated by the symbol or the symbol and should be greater than 250 volts, like in this case 600 volts and in this case 750 ACV. Step 2. Insert one probe in right and another in left. Note it down. Step 3. Insert one probe in right, another on top. Note it down. Last, one probe in left and another on top. Note it down. If you get value like these, it means you have the live wire on the right, the neutral on the left, and earthing is available, signifying that your socket is in good condition. Case 2. If you get value like this, earthing is available but lives and neutral are in reverse and can be easily fixed by an electrician. Case 3. Value like this has no earthing, and other cases like these are not safe. Please call an electrician. Part 2 of checking your socket connection and earthing using a tester and a small piece of wire. Step 1. Take your tester and insert it into each socket hole one by one. Note, do touch the metallic part with your finger. The light should glow in only one hole. If that happens, your socket passes the first test. If the tester glows in more than one hole, the wire is unsafe and could damage your appliances or surge protector. Step 2. Testing for earthing. Watch closely and do the same. And wrap a transparent tape around it for insulation. Switch off the switch. Tester in the right hole, wire in the left hole. Switch on. LED should glow. Check 2. Switch off the switch. Move wire to the top hole. Switch on. LED should glow. This means earthing is present. Check 3. Switch off the switch. Tester in the left hole, wire in the top hole. Switch on. LED should not glow. Perfect result. Understanding the result. First, correct wiring, earthing is available, everything is safe. Second, no earthing. If LED doesn't glow as expected, earthing is missing. Third, live neutral reversed. Standard wiring are live should be at right hole, neutral at left hole. Mostly appliances are made using this standard method. If reversed, for our surge protector, green LED may go off when the switch is on. Surge protector will work, but it's better to correct the wiring. Fourth, unsafe wiring. Tester glows in more than one hole. Appliance and surge protector are at risk.